Hey there, welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I had gotten this cookbook a while back called 50+1 Weird Recipes. So I thought it would be exciting to try a few of the recipes in this book. Well, the first one I'm going to start with isn't too weird. It's a cabbage salad with peanut butter dressing. I do love cabbage, and I do love peanut butter, so this ought to be a great salad. Grab a bowl. I've got a bag of coleslaw mix. I'm just throwing that in the bowl. There's that cabbage. I've got a chopped green pepper here. I'm going to drop it in that bowl. And that's basically it for the salad base. Time to make the dressing. I need a 1/4 cup of peanut butter put into a small bowl. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce goes next. 1 tablespoon of water. Tablespoon of sugar. A clove of minced garlic. A light sprinkle of crushed red pepper flakes. Whisk that together. Drizzle that on top of the salad and then toss it to coat. That really was super simple to make. Now, how does it taste? It's absolutely awesome. It's very similar to those salad rolls that you kind of dip in the peanut butter sauce, because that's basically like cabbage and all this stuff. And it works well as a salad. I recommend it. Last night, I changed a light bulb, crossed the road, and walked into a bar. That's when I realized my life is a joke.